Look at that. Let's just get him in the strike position. We don't have to pick him up.
Calm down. I'm just gonna get him.
Whew. He's mad.
Look at how red that feels. I heard something over here and I didn't see it until I heard this, like, I heard it hissing. If he hadn't hissed, I wouldn't have saw him. Okay. How do we want to go about this? So you kind of distract him.
You want to try and use
I'm gonna slowly
maybe
pick him
try
up
and use a
behind.
stick? Yeah, he's not going to fall for that.
I'm gonna calm him down with a stick.
Yeah.
Kind of get him used to the feeling. Woo! Hey, buddy.
Easy, easy, easy.
Yes.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get this guy.
Pick it back. Check this baby northern water snake out. I know we've gotten quite a bit of these showcased on the channel, but this one I just thought was really cool because of how vibrant it is with that. Ooh. Super aggressive. As you can see, it's flattening out its body to make it look thicker than it actually is. Look at that. That's a really cool defense mechanism that they do. I'd say pretty small. The females have live birth at around fall, so I'm not sure when this guy was born. It's just a little bit hard to tell considering how small he is and when their breeding season is. This is peak activity for water snakes this time in spring. Look, he's super feisty here. Just swimming in the water, so I'm gonna let him go. And watch how good they are at swimming. Look at that. Super awesome. They can hold their breath for a while too. And they look really cool in the water. So I guess you could just find them floating. That's so sick. Check out this baby garter snake. He was in the water, which is not uncommon for them, but usually they're in the grasses. And I'm noticing now that he might have a scar on his belly, maybe two.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
I'm not sure what that could be from, but let's see. He looks like he is out of shed. It's pretty vibrant. These snakes are super docile, so he's not gonna bite me anytime soon. He definitely has some damage right on his side. That could be from a predator, that could be from a bike, from the bike trail up here. That happens a lot with these guys. But this is our profile picture.
Yeah.
Look at how awesome their tongues are. Forked tongue, starts red and ends in a black color. And they have sort of a checkered pattern. I think this is a wandering garter snake or a western terrestrial garter snake. Those are the most common in this area. He was just in the water. I thought he was a baby water snake. But that's actually really cool that it was a garter snake this time. Yeah, so this is definitely a juvenile. It's not like a newborn, but I would say it definitely isn't matured yet. So let's go release him.